Alright, so even though the battery's on the charger and it ran, let's say, 20 minutes ago, now it won't start again. I unplugged the fuel pump to try to clear the carburetor. I sprayed some carburetor spray in there to try to get to fire. It coughed a few times, but now all it's doing is this. So now we're having a no start issue again on the scooter. All I did was plug the headlight bulbs in the front, and now it won't start anymore. Which doesn't make any sense because the signals are not part of the ignition circuit. And the battery is charging, but also a boost box on it to try to give it a little bit more juice to try to spin it faster. And I'm not having luck to get it to fire up again.